Want to enable low power mode on your MacBook to extend battery life? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on low power mode on your Mac in just a few steps. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Next, scroll down and click Battery in the sidebar. On the battery settings page, look for the low power mode option. Click the drop-down menu next to it and choose Always, Only on Battery, or Only on Power Adapter, depending on how you want low power mode to work. Once enabled, your Mac will reduce energy usage, help extend battery life, and may operate more quietly by lowering overall performance. Low power mode is especially useful when you're traveling or don't have access to a charger for an extended period. And that's it. That's how you can turn on low power mode on your MacBook.